721-minute wait for Phoenix Rising. He's coming for your soul. I like this. The Busch Gardens Summer Mixtape 2024.
How does it stack up to SeaWorld Orlando's newest coaster, Penguin Trek?
This lion means one thing. We're at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. It is opening media day for their newest roller coaster, Phoenix Rising. Now, we just had Penguin Trek open, what, like last week? So this is another family coaster, so I'm excited to compare it to see which one is better. They're just cranking out ride after ride after ride. I don't know how they're doing it. Let's head in, see what's going on within the park.
Hi, Mr. Lion. It's a hot one out today. I can see even you're dripping. We got the signs up. Hollow Scream, 25 years now hiring scare actors. Apply and register for audition today. Be behind the screens. Now hiring technicians and stage manager. They have a little photo up here right in the front entrance. Busch Gardens Summer Nights. They got this like glitter wall. It moves when the wind hits it. I remember seeing this at IAPA. First stop of the day, the Emporium. See what's new. $33. They have a new tie-dye shirt. 2024 Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. $20 for this drawstring bag. $37 for this shirt. It's got a little bit of glitter on it. $18 for a little giraffe snow globe. $8 for a lanyard pouch. $15 for this ornament. $14 for this glitter keychain. $10 for this 2024 shot glass, and it says Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. $19, they got the same design on a massive mug. $37 for this green t-shirt, and then $37 for this really lightweight long sleeve. Now they have a bunch of stuff left over from 4th of July, but the one thing that I really like is this like 4th of July sloth. $30. This is like straight out of like early 2000s, this style of shirt. Busch Gardens. $40 for a TV tray. Who remembers these? $35. We got the little trucker cap. Love the retro design on that. $37. They have a shirt for Serengeti Flyer. Dude, look at this one. $37 for this Montu shirt. That's a great graphic. $30 for this Kumba shirt. All right, these sold out for the longest time, but it's like the retro Gwazi shirt. And then here's a new Iron Gwazi shirt. $52. They have this long sleeve, really thin material. Get the silhouette of the coaster. The logo right there. Then we have a baseball cut tee for $45. Says Iron Gwazi. Dude, they got all these pendants. Look at these things. You got one for Sheikra, classic Busch Gardens, Phoenix Rising. So we do have some new Phoenix Rising merch. Do have a bunch of the Universal Monsters here. Got the claw machine. We have a tiger over here. Then the orangutan carving into rock. They have the caricatures over here, but I like this little sign. Models wanted, no experience necessary. They have foggers and a DJ playing. I like this. The Busch Gardens Summer Mixtape 2024. I like that you think this is a photo op, but it's actually just one giant fan to help you cool off.
Okay, I've been searching for anything construction updates for Hollow Scream. There's nothing.
Got all the flamingos out here. Now, I don't remember this overhang. Is this overhang also new? So you can get out of the hot Florida heat. Now, honestly, the scariest part of Hollow Scream is walking by all these topiaries during the nighttime with the spooky lighting. Like, look at Elmo. He's coming for your soul. Summer Nights 2024. They got a little photo op right here. Bourbon and barbecue. If you come over here to the stand, sadly it's not open right now. It's like if Mario and Bob's Big Boy had a baby. It's this little guy. We're gonna hop into the Safari Outpost, the Build-A-Bear at Busch Gardens. They have a Busch Gardens shirt. They have SeaWorld Rescue. We got some Halloween ones. It's got a little tuxedo, a little spooky tuxedo. There's also little pajamas with a little pumpkin and little pumpkin ears. Yeah, so they have Busch Gardens in pink or blue. Some Busch Gardens scrubs for some of the vets. And then we have like a little safari jacket. It says Busch Gardens. And they have little boots. And also little like safari hats. They even have like a little SeaWorld Rescue wetsuit. Elmo's looking very dapper today. He's got the eyeball shirt on. They have the little shoulder buddies, so you get little tigers. You can have a little hedgehog. But they even have ones that are Cookie Monster and Elmo. All the penguins are just chilling, relaxing. There's a couple swimming right there. The big old tortoise there. They got a little photo op here with a giraffe, giant rainbow giraffe. You can get a photo with, so you can stand right there. Is this new? When you're looking at the elephants, I don't remember this little shaded overhang, but this is nice. Unlock the wonder of nature.
The only thing I want to unlock right now is just staying cool. I love the misters in here. That hits the spot. Okay, now we're back to bacon.
They got a little photo up here. It's a melted rainbow ice cream, and then on the stick, it says Busch Gardens. All right, so the new attraction is gonna be here in Pantopia. So it says, almost ready to hatch. Pardon our dust as we put the final touches on this experience. It looks like they have lockers over here. I think we're checking over there. So this is gonna be the schedule. Platinum pass holders can come and experience it on July 17th. Gold and platinum on the 18th. All 4 passports on the 19th. Even the fun card and the other four on the 20th. And the grand opening is gonna be July 21st for Phoenix Rising. Here we are, Phoenix Rising. but not right now because there's a thunderstorm. Soon, it'll rise from its ashes. 721-minute wait for Phoenix Rising. It says, larger guests, please test the seat to determine your ability to ride. It's gonna be located off to the right. It's gonna be the test seat. It's gonna be right here. You can kind of see the little purple accent that we have on the back. Time to test out the test seat.
Can I ride?
Now, it'll let you know. It'll be green or red, I believe.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh, there's red.
So that's red, can't ride. Now
There's
I can.
green. Let's see it hit red. All right, so that's just red.
Yep.
All right, then you want to push it into green? And that's green.
Yep.
So I would say if you're like a bigger person, I don't think you're gonna fit.
Had I been a little, like, that much bigger, I would have been too big.
You must be at least 42 inches to ride. All right, so they'll have the standard queue off to the left, and then off to the right is gonna be the quick queue. All right, let's see what themed elements that they have. They got a bunch of new foliage that have been planted. Come over here and they have some different little artifacts that have been collected. Now the sculpting just feels like the old school Busch Gardens. Okay, so that's the quick queue over there, and then this is the standard queue. Each kind of relic represents kind of a different part of the world. So there's a whole backstory, but there's 4 different phoenixes, and apparently the screen changes for each one. This is going to be the Terra Phoenix, protector of the rainforest. Terra is the youngest of the phoenixes, is known for her spirit of adventure and ability to speak with all animal species. All right, so this is the story of the water phoenix, so the Agua. Protector of the ocean realm. Agua is the most versatile of all the phoenixes, as she is the only one with the ability to breathe underwater, swim, and fly. So the little story about the other phoenixes, we have Ignis, protector of the desert realm. Ignis is the firstborn phoenix, known for his bravery and powerful flying tactic that he uses to travel throughout the realms. Glacius, I think that's the name of this phoenix, protector of the mountaintop and glaciers. Glacius is known for his peaceful and fair leadership, as well as his uncanny ability of shape-shifting and invisibility.
Okay, bad news. It has started lightning. All the rides shut down. Hopefully we got it today. I will say, the one thing that I think is going to be a major issue is the queue. The queue is not that big.
O limitados con limitaciones físicas o de cuello, espalda que podrían impedir sentarse normalmente o usar los sistemas de seguridad proporcionados.
But then the other problem is they only have one train. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting when it opens. Our experience today is different than when it opens to the public. But yeah, I can see that being a big issue. The size of the queue and then only having one train.
And then these are screens, so they will change when the coaster starts moving. So it'll be different phoenixes, so you kind of never know what little phoenix you're gonna be flying with.
So my name is Andrew Schaefer. I'm the Corporate Director of Project Management here for the park. And my role in this project was executive oversight, or the project as a whole. As you can see behind me, we've got now our newest attraction here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, Phoenix Rising, which is an inverted family coaster. The Phoenix Rising is about 1,800 feet long, 80 feet tall, and gets up to 44 miles per hour. Great for a family attraction because the rider height is only 42 inches, which is your average 6-year-old. That makes this a great family attraction. Someone all the way up to 77 inches can ride this ride, and it's fun for the whole family.
So what's the full story, I guess, of this attraction?
So really the full story, we came about this attraction, at least the theme, because in this area of the park, we're in Pantopia. In this area, we had an old ride called Phoenix, which was a boat ride. Area and the ride and everything is kind of what developed the story, and which is how we came to Phoenix Rising, because the old attraction kind of went away, and now we're rising with this new attraction called Phoenix Rising. With the new attraction, we developed it with several different characters, if you will, the different phoenixes. So we've got fire, water, ice, and a jungle phoenix. And on those phoenixes, you can actually see the different colors and different phoenixes in the video, the AV, inside of the ride, as well as on the ride. So there's lighting on the bottom of the seats that changes color depending on the version of the Phoenix that you're riding. Now there's audio that plays on the ride and in the station.
All right, good news. Lightning has stopped. It's still raining a little bit, but I don't care. I just want to ride the ride.
Okay. We're back. 0 minute wait. All right, so the rundown, it's got a maximum height of 80 feet. Track length is 1,831 feet. Maximum speed, 44 miles an hour. Number of trains, 1. Number of rows, 10. Number of passengers per train, 20. Minimum height, 42. Maximum height, 77. What'd you just figure out?
So the wait time, I've been trying to figure out why it's 700 minutes. That's the opening dates, 7/21.
Okay, we are next to get on. Going over. All right, we're locked in. 2 hairy knees.
We did it.
I ate my beard.
I didn't realize this, but they were like, under each one of the seats are lights. So the Phoenixes rotate, right? So you get different animations and you're different Phoenix every single time. So at night, there's lights and each light changes according to the Phoenix. So there's like this whole like element for nighttime. I enjoyed the front a lot better than the back. I think this is like the perfect little in-between, like a little kid barnstormer one to then this. We're not at Iron Gwazi level. It's that good kind of in-between coaster, you know, for the kid who wants to be a coaster enthusiast, but isn't quite there yet.
Thank you for visiting Busch Gardens.
Okay, it's time to go back to the office and kind of do the whole little review and wrap up with everything.
Okay guys, we're back in the office. Let's talk about Busch Gardens Tampa's newest roller coaster, Phoenix Rising. How does it stack up to SeaWorld Orlando's newest coaster, Penguin Trek? They're both family coasters. They're both drastically different. SeaWorld's Penguin Trek is kind of like a launch coaster, so it's kind of like a more kind of a chill, kind of sweeping motion, where Phoenix Rising almost feels like you're about to like go upside down because you're like, go this way and that way, so it's a little more intense than Penguin Trek. But I think I enjoyed Phoenix Rising a little bit more than Penguin Trek, but also Penguin Trek had a show scene and show elements. I don't know, they're both good. Like, Busch Gardens and SeaWorld haven't missed with a coaster in a very long time, and like, this is much needed for those parks, right? They both kind of need family coasters, right? Because they have a lot of really great, you know, intense coasters. So there's something now for kind of, you know, those like middle-sized kids now to experience a kind of like more thrilling coaster out there. But even as an adult, it's a thrilling coaster, and they have like the cool nighttime effects. I cannot wait to go see that. But like, my only complaint is honestly the queue size. I don't know how they're gonna handle management of the lines. There's only one train. I don't know how long these wait times are gonna be. And then if you're a bigger person, I don't think you're gonna really fit into the ride. And I think if you have like bigger thighs, you might not fit. Because the way the seat kind of fits, kind of just like goes like this around your thighs. So those are my only complaints. The new coaster, it's great. Problem is just kind of like those operational stuff. But again, like, we don't know how it's fully gonna function until it opens to the public later next week. I'm interested to see how this like functions, because like people are gonna really enjoy this attraction. There's gonna be long waits. Let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts about Busch Gardens' newest roller coaster? Will you be riding it? Are you excited about it? But the next time I'll be back at Busch Gardens will be for Howl-O-Scream. I'm excited for that because it's always a blast. So guys, on that note, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button and join the family.
I love the family!
Because I'm going to keep you up to date on all things theme parks around the country. I love you all, and I'll see y'all very soon.
About 1,800 feet long.
Hey.
I can't tell you about it. That blows the whole fun. You'll have to find out.